Hi everybody, this is my third video with this new camera, and this is a recording which was done the same day, but I cut the portion on PCH and also on the road to this place. You see the map over here on the top. I start over here doing the video, but I put a voice down, I mean level of microphone, because was noise from the telephone line or electric line, and even the picture at that exactly place, which I mean this sequence and also next sequence, which I shot from with zooming from far away and try have nice shot from this camera. It's kind of dark if you see right now, and you cannot hear the noise, bump noise kind of from electric, which mean I put that because it's fine picture, but also this is information for the people who are using the digital camera. If sometime picture for some reason it's not clear, like over here, that could be from electric noise from the power line, electric or telephone line or cable line, whatever was, you see, was on the air. And in the moment I will start driving and picture will be much nicer. This is the area which is the Malibu, and this portion of the road which you will see in the moment, it's dead end, because few years ago we are going to drive there, road was slide down, and if you see on the map, and map it's old one from 1995, 96 if I remember. You see how nice picture is over here, and that's how supposed to be this shot from few seconds before. And this over here is like really side, the street, not street, you know, this is the country road, but people live over here with the fine view to the ocean in top of the Malibu. We're driving down right now, make left turn, it's nice view to the ocean, and you'll see houses right, left over there, and end of the road I will stop and shoot video from the down. This video map, in this video I will put in my website, like maps of the wheelchair driving tour and downtown. You can find the links website to that information. I will also put in this video, end of that video. Okay, you see it's like a really amazing place which I drive down over here. It's narrow, it's not many people drive over here, only people who live there, because before was connection down to PCH. Now this connection is cut off. Okay, and from that area I have more video from my old camera. I have maybe 2-3 hours. I will try shot new video because will be also better quality, and soon I will put to the internet. Okay, thank you very much, and enjoy the view. This is the new production of the same video which was already on YouTube, but I make major change. YouTube just recently upgraded to full high definition quality 1080, and I post this video on my new channel volnyHD. Also in this place over here was music before, but YouTube making like witch hunt for the music or video copyright stuff. I deleted some music or song which was over here, and I added my comment. Maybe I will get some music which YouTube allowed for my new video which I will be added on that channel over here. That's new information, and you can view this on better quality. Thank you for watching again, and this is best available quality right now. Enjoy the view, and I will try add it more my video which I already have on 10 tapes. I have to copy them to the computer and added some additional information, maps, places. I like do it this way because people can see it, not only some video, but be like more with me in my car on the place which I am, like travel through internet to the new places and see it with them. Thanks again, and thank you for the patience, and make the comment on my video, rate my video, and I will working to put new video which I still have it, and I am going to shot some from new places. It's so many to show the people around the area. Thanks again. This is the end of the road. You see, I make like was house over here, and really down slide was over here. You see some connection for the water or electric, whatever it's there over here. You can see it's down, just disconnected. On the top over here you will see was there the house. And please come back to my video. I'm not sure how many this divided section I will put over here, because I have like 1.5 hours, but I'm not going to put everything like regular sequence when I was driving tour, which means look for the other video and see how many short video you can view. Thanks again. See you, hear you soon. Thanks.